So you've just got your new WatchPAT 1 sleep apnea test kit. Great, but how do you use it? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain step by step how to use the kit to get your sleep data and have it sent to your physician. Now, before you start, make sure you have the WatchPAT 1 kit, a smartphone, internet access, and the PIN. Now, if you have them, then you're ready. But just in case it's not obvious, this is a sleep study. So you'll only want to start the process when you're about to go to sleep for the night. So assuming you have all you need and you're in your PJs ready for the night, then follow these steps. Step 1, download and install the WatchPAT 1 app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and grant the app the permissions it needs to conduct your sleep study. The next screen gives two options, Preview and Ready. If you touch Preview, the app will show you what you need to do to set up the device. But that's for people who aren't watching this helpful RespShop video. Instead, when you're ready to set it up, tap Ready and keep watching. Step 2, Unpack the Kit. You should have the main device, which consists of a watch with two wires coming from it. One ends in a finger probe and the other leads to a sensor. The kit also contains a battery. Insert the battery into the back of the watch, then tap Next on the app. Step 3. To make sure the device gets a good read from your wrist and finger, you should remove all jewelry like watches and rings and make sure your nails are trimmed, and if you've recently applied lotion to your hands, then you'll need to wash it off. Tap Next. Step 4. The app will then prompt you to enter the PIN code, so put that in and tap Enter. Step 5. Take hold of the sensor, which is a circular disc at the end of the wire, and thread it through your pajamas from the sleeve near your left hand up to your neck. If you are left-handed, then do this from the sleeve at your right hand instead. With the sensor near your neck, peel the tab from the sensor sticker at the back and attach the sensor to your neck just below the notch in your sternum. It is also recommended that you further secure the sensor with medical tape. Tap Next. Step 6. Attach the watch to your non-dominant hand and adjust the strap for it to fit comfortably. Tap Next. Then place a finger from that hand into the finger probe with the sticker marked top on the top of your finger. With the probe on, press your finger down on a hard surface and pull out the tab from the probe without turning it on your finger. Now you're done, it's time to sleep. Make sure you plug your phone into a power source for the duration of the night, otherwise the app may stop working. Also, it's best to close all other apps on your phone except the WatchPAT 1 app, of course, and then tap Start Recording, and the test will begin. When you go to bed, make sure you stay within 15 feet of the phone to enable it to record the data transmitted. If you do get up in the night, that's fine, just leave your phone plugged in. The device will resync with the app when you come back to bed. In the morning, tap M Recording on the app. It will then need a few minutes to upload your data. Although you can use the phone while this happens, do not close the application and make sure you don't move the phone more than 15 feet away from the WatchPAT 1. But it is now safe to remove the device from your body while the data uploads. When the upload is complete, you'll get a message on your phone and you can then safely close the app by tapping Close App. The data will soon arrive with your physician, and you can simply throw the device away as its job is done. See? It's pretty simple really, and we hope this video was helpful. Bye for now and sleep tight. Unless you've just woken up after a sleep study, that is, in which case, enjoy your day.